No.
But I already paid for it, Grumpy.
Mama, I told you I don't want no damn porcelain clown figurine on the dash of my truck.
He's wearing overalls just like your daddy used to.
Oh, hell. Now I can't throw it out. Mama, this fan is missing a grill.
That just means better airflow, Grumpy.
Or a better chance for me to lose the damn finger. Put it down. Mama, ain't nobody watching Beethoven's Second on VHS no more.
Well, I know I got a player somewhere.
Yeah, you also got a VCR stuck up under 6 fake Christmas trees in the closet. Just to show you that I'm not always just a grump. Those were some cute birds, wasn't they? Wasn't they? Huh? If you don't think them birds was cute, I don't know. I don't know about you. I don't know. I'll see you, bud.